Bye. Stradman right here. Murcielago, coming to a garage near you.
Hey guys, what's going on? LAOC Exotics here, and today we are at the 70 Mile Saturday Supercar Poker Run. It takes place in Orange County. They're going to be driving all around Orange County. There's like hundreds of supercars. Right now we're at the pre-meet. There's a bunch of cars, Lambos, Ferraris, Porsches. DDE was here in his turbo Lamborghini. Vehicle Versions is here in his 600 LT, so yeah, it's going to be sick. So we have a crazy Speciale. It looks like a Speciale. I'm not sure if it actually is, but it's got that little side thing right there. It's also got the right hood. It has a crazy body kit on it. A few R8s, GTR, 570s, another 2 R8s, 720, and then just a bunch of Ferraris right here. In the very front, we got a bunch of Lambos. There's like 30 Lambos here already. Oh, there's DDE. Oh no, it's a 720.
Yeah. But you gotta do the bronze at the minimum, not the...
So we have a Carrera GT right here. This one's insane. This is the one that's always on the DDE channel, if you've seen it. Cyber Garage on Instagram owns it. It's sick. We got Logan here. He's the guy putting on the event. Say hi.
Are you vlogging?
I am.
Oh my god.
We got DDE right here. Check out the back of... Got the PFS McLaren right here. 570 with the Vorsteiner kit. The doors in the SV are so cool. It's all carbon fiber and they're so light. You just barely tap it and the whole thing goes up.
Ace is in the house! Everyone's in their car, everyone's revving, getting ready to roll. here. This guy ripped right here. Here we go. Here comes DDE. Scraped. This is one of my favorite Huracans, 1,000 horsepower, 4-cylinder kit. Aventador, blue and white. So many cars. Fresh kicks. Insane. They're doing crazy pulls, so many freaking cars. I'm here with AJ, Sinclair Photos.
Hey, what's up everybody?
Yeah, so we're gonna go to the next checkpoint. We're gonna try to get there before them so we can film more pulls or just hang out with the guys, shoot some photos, who knows. But yeah, so you guys saw all the pulls. That CGT did that burnout and drift. That was freaking nuts. DDE did a huge pull. Everyone's cars were modified. It was so loud. It was so cool. It sounded like you're going to an F1 race or something. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna go try to catch up with them later. See how it goes. Alright guys, check out where we are. We're on the side of the road, on the highway. The cars are gonna be coming from right there. Zoom all the way down this straightaway. It's gonna be really cool. We're all in this app called Joiner, and so we can see where they are and where the route is. So we took a big shortcut. They're all stopped at there's a checkpoint over there. We just kept going so we can get footage of them flying by. So if you look right here, it's coming right around a bend, all the way back there. So I think they're just gonna come flying around that bend and just rip it, because look how long this straightaway is. And you can see way ahead of you, so I think they're gonna get going. There's the 720. Here's Garage Goals official. Woo!
Pass him, pass him.
Hit the rev limiter. Oh, they're gonna do poles right around here. Here they go, they're getting that video. We got a nice Huracan on the way. Oh, he's gonna pull over and say hi to us. Hello. So we just got to Javier's. It's right across the street from Aston Martin Newport Beach, which is right there. That's the ending of the rally. So we're at the end of the rally. We beat all the cars to it. There's a few of the cars that were on the rally here, that Aventador, this Huracan right here. But we ran into Dan M.I. He's eating lunch at Javier's in the Senna and the matching Centenario. Both exposed carbon fiber, both Monterey blue accents. These things look insane. All carbon fiber. Look at those diffusers. Wow. Blue accent, 3 exhaust pipes. This thing's insane. And then the Senna, even more so. Huge wing, crazy diffuser. Insane. Beautiful cars, identically spec'd. Awesome. Here's DDE's car, turbo. He just got it wrapped, just like the Lark P1 GTR. Pictures of the Lark on my Instagram. We have found ourselves in a Huracan.
I don't know where to go, really. I don't know where to go. What do you think?
so funny when they see shit like this. There's one. All these supercars left and right.
If you want to jump out here, then it won't be so close to their car.
Pulling up right next to a CGT.
Yeah, Kevin's. That's the one that I drifted.
Thank you, Damon.
Oh, you're welcome.
And just like that, this whole roof is just full of supercars, left and right, the whole roof.